Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss how to wash and dry your towels to keep them soft, fresh, and wrinkle-free. Towels are an essential part of our daily routine, so it's crucial to take proper care of them. By following these simple tips, you can keep your towels looking and feeling brand new. First, let's talk about the materials that towels are made from. Most towels are cotton, microfiber, or a blend of both. Each material has its own unique characteristics, so it's essential to choose the right washing and drying method for your towels. Cotton towels are a popular choice for many reasons. They are soft, absorbent, and gentle on the skin. To wash cotton towels, you need a mild detergent or a fabric softener. Avoid using harsh chemicals like bleach, as it can damage the fabric and make the towels feel rough. Make sure to wash cotton towels separately from other fabrics to prevent color fading and maintain their absorbency. Microfiber towels are another popular option for many reasons. They are quick drying, soft, and very durable. To wash microfiber towels, use a gentle, sulfate-free detergent or a mix of vinegar and water. Avoid using fabric softener, as it can leave a residue on the towel. Microfiber towels are best washed by hand or in the gentle cycle of a washing machine. But don't dry them in the dryer, as it can cause shrinkage. When it comes to cleaning towels, the key is to find a balance between cleaning power and gentle care. A strong detergent can remove dirt and stains, but it can also be harsh on the fabric. A gentle detergent, on the other hand, is designed to be gentler on the fabric while still being effective at removing dirt and stains. To ensure your towels stay fresh and wrinkle-free, it's essential to tumble dry them. Tumbling dryers use hot air to help remove water from the fabric. This can cause some shrinkage, so it's a good idea to check the label for the appropriate drying instructions. Towels should be dried on the lowest heat setting possible and never ironed. It's also suggested not to use fabric softener on your towels. Finally, proper washing and drying techniques can keep your towels looking and feeling fresh. By choosing the right materials, using a gentle detergent or fabric softener or white vinegar, and following proper drying instructions, you can keep your towels in top condition. So, the next time you need to wash or dry your towels, remember these simple tips and enjoy the soft, clean, and wrinkle-free towels you deserve.